Hey, hello guys, this is me Sam Nijin from Frozen Lakes. So now we are in the first tutorial of the front-end web development course. So first of all, let's see what's an IDE. So as I said earlier, HTML is the basic structure of a web page. So without HTML, we can't build a web page where we can write a HTML code. So we can use many platforms like the Notepad, Notepad++, or some different IDEs like Sublime Editor, VS Code, and so on. So I prefer VS Code. Okay. Now let's have a quick view on how to install the Visual Studio Code. Search for VS Code in the Google and click on the download button. So according to your operating system, if you have a Mac, you can use the Mac, or if you have the Linux, use this, and if you have the Windows, click on the download button. So it will start automatically. If not, click on this direct download link. So I have downloaded this and installed this already. I'm cancelling this now. So you just wait until it get downloaded and double tap it to get installed. If you want a full installation video of Visual Studio Code, kindly DM us on Instagram. We will be posting the video on installation of VS Code really very soon. Now let's go through the components of a web page. So consider this is a web page. So the content over here is called a header. This part. So it's called a header. And the part here and here is called the sidebar. And the part below is called the footer. And the centered part is called the content part or wrapper, whatever you can call it. So whatever the website you are going to do, you should have a header and a footer which defines a page as a better view for the client or the users of the web page, and a content page to display whatever the content you have to show. And a sidebar are used to display a real quick link or some useful information to the users. So after installing, just open the VS Code and you can see the interfaces like this, and you will be having some initial setup to do with the theme and so on. So after all those steps, you will be having an interface like this. So here you have to click the open folder and choose the directory in which you have to do the project or how to save the project. Then over here you have to provide a new folder. Click on S to enable all the features, or else you will be having a restricted mode, so you will not be available for all the features. So I just clicked on S. So over here, this is the folder we are going to create the project. Click on the small icon to create a new file, and this icon is used to create a new folder, and this is used to refresh the Explorer. Over this area is called the Explorer. Okay, this icon is used to collapse the folder in the Explorer, or else it will expand it based on certain criteria. So click on this new and type index.html. So you will be getting a file called index.html. This .html is the extension for the HTML file. Then type the exclamatory mark and just click enter. The VS Code will bring you the basic structure of code for HTML from its snippets. So just save it. So if you have made a change, you will be noticing a small white circle over here. It means the file is not yet saved. So if you have clicked Ctrl+S, the file will be saved. So this idoc type HTML refers to the HTML file. It's the fifth version of the HTML. This HTML language equal to EN, which stands for the language of the web page is defined in English. Then the header tag. Inside the header tag, you'll be having the meta charset, the HTTP equivalent, the content, the meta name, content, and so on with the title too. The title is the thing which display on the tabs of the browser. So let's change into tutorial 1. To run this particular file, let's have an extension called live server. Yeah, it's a thing. You have just have to click the install and wait for a few minutes or a few seconds based on the speed of the internet, and then close it. Then right click on it and click on this open with live server. We have nothing in the body, nothing is displayed on our web page. So see, the title tutorial 1 is displayed on the top of the tab. In HTML, each and everything is a tag. Between the arrow bracket, the whole thing with the arrow bracket and some attributes is called a tag. So here the body is the attribute and with the arrow bracket. So it's wholly called as a tag. First of all, let's type a heading. So there are totally a 6 heading which ranges from H1, H2, H3 till H6. So first of all, let's give a H2 heading. So here, welcome all. As you all can see the white circle, the page is not as saved, so will not be able to view anything here. So just save it and just come to the web page. You can see the welcome all. Then let's get into the paragraph tag. Paragraph tag is nothing but the paragraph which we used to write. So consider writing an essay. You will be writing the heading with the dot black pen or something like that. So we will be using the header tag over here. For the content, we will be using the paragraph tag. So paragraph tag is nothing but the p tag. So whatever the thing you write here will be shown as a paragraph with small letters and with medium thickness. So you all can see the difference between the header tag and the paragraph tag. And let me give a quick show on all the header tags. So as you all can see, the first H1 tag is the biggest one and H6 tag is the smallest one, and it follows with the paragraph tag. So next, coming to the image. Whatever the page you take, it consists of some image to show us something special, right? So we have to add an image to the web page. So by using the image tag, we can do that. So just typing img, then src, which is used as a path to the image, and just close the tag. Here you have to give the path. There are two types of paths. The first one is the absolute path and the second one is the relative path. The absolute path is nothing but path of some other web pages or websites, and the relative path is within the website. So let's consider taking some images. So here you have to right click on the image and click on copy image address. So then coming to here, just paste the link, then just save it. Then coming to the web page, you can see the image. We will be having another attribute over the image tag. So which is nothing but the alt. This is nothing but whenever the image is failed to load, the text which has to be shown will be written on the alt. So I am giving as animal in forest. So now it's not viewing. So let's make a little change over the link. So see, the alt text is viewed here. So when I press Ctrl Z to revert the change and I just save. So now you can see the image on the web page. So it's a web page that you have developed. I hope that you all have enjoyed this session. Do subscribe and click on all to have the latest update really soon. So thank you guys. Like, share and subscribe.